Welcome back to the channel, Smart Home Enthusiasts. If you are looking to completely transform your home's exterior with vibrant colors and intuitive smart controls, you have found the right video. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the absolute best Govee outdoor lights on the market to help you elevate your curb appeal. We will explore 5 incredible lighting solutions that will take your patio, eaves, and landscaping to the next level. Let's get lit. Product number 1. Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights. Kicking off our list is the incredible Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2. If you are tired of putting up and taking down holiday decorations every single season, this 100-foot RGB IC kit is your ultimate solution. Designed to stay up all the time, these lights boast a fully waterproof IP67 rating, meaning they would stand harsh weather, from blistering summer heat to freezing winter snow. What makes this second-generation kit stand out is the stunning upgraded RGB ICW technology, offering 16 million accurate colors alongside a dedicated 40-lumen bright white light for enhanced daily security. With over 100 preset scene modes and an innovative AI-generated light show feature, you can instantly personalize your house for game days, Halloween, or winter holidays with just a quick voice command using Alexa or Google Assistant. It is the perfect hassle-free architectural lighting investment that keeps your home glowing vibrantly with zero ongoing effort. Product number 2. Govee S14 Bulb Outdoor String Lights. Next up, we have the Govee S14 Bulb Outdoor String Lights. This 96-foot set, split conveniently into 2 48-foot ropes, brings a classic, warm, and inviting aesthetic to any patio or backyard, while packing modern smart technology. Featuring 30 shatterproof LED bulbs, these lights deliver stunning RGB ICW effects, allowing each individual bulb to shine in a different color simultaneously. They offer a brilliant 65-lumen warm white setting that is fully dimmable, making them perfect for late-night outdoor dinners or cozy gatherings. With a rugged IP66 waterproof rating, they are built to survive heavy rain and wind without skipping a beat. The connectivity here is outstanding. These S14 bulbs are Matter-compatible, meaning they integrate seamlessly with Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Boasting incredible 100:11 scene modes and dynamic music syncing, these lights will effortlessly turn your outdoor space into the ultimate party destination. Product number 3. Govee Smart Outdoor String Lights. For those with massive backyards or expansive balconies, the Govee Smart Outdoor String Lights 2 in the 144-foot length is an absolute showstopper. This extensive string light kit provides unparalleled coverage for large spaces, eliminating the need to daisy-chain multiple smaller sets together. Unlike the S14 RGB-IC models, this specific set focuses heavily on delivering beautiful, dimmable warm white illumination alongside standard RGB colors. It features 47 customizable scene modes directly accessible through the highly intuitive Govee Home app, allowing you to easily set the perfect mood for a quiet evening or a lively neighborhood barbecue. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures dependable durability against outdoor elements, while the shatterproof bulb design provides excellent peace of mind around children and pets. With effortless voice control via Alexa and seamless app integration, managing a massive outdoor lighting setup has never been this simple or looked this elegant. Product number 4. Govee Outdoor LED Strip Lights. Coming in at number 4 are the highly versatile Govee Outdoor LED Strip Lights. Measuring an impressive 98.4 feet, these smart strip lights offer a sleek, continuous, and modern glow that traditional bulbs simply cannot match. They are absolutely perfect for lining the undersides of eaves, wrapping around patio railings, or illuminating the edges of outdoor steps. Equipped with Govee's signature RGB IC technology, this strip can display multiple vivid colors along a single line simultaneously, creating mesmerizing chasing and flowing effects that will elevate any outdoor party or holiday decoration. These strips are IP65 waterproof, ensuring they stay bright and vibrant through rain and moisture. Setting them up is a breeze with the included adhesive and mounting clips. Because they work flawlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the Govee app, you have complete control over brightness, customization, and music syncing right from your smartphone. Product number 5. Govee Outdoor Spotlights Light. Rounding out our list is the Govee Outdoor Spotlights Light 4-pack, the ultimate landscape lighting solution to highlight your home's best architectural features.
Whether you want to illuminate your favorite courtyard tree, a beautiful garden statue, or the front facade of your house, these powerful spotlights deliver breathtaking results. Featuring RGB WIC technology, they offer gorgeous color-changing capabilities alongside a dedicated crisp white light, ensuring your landscaping looks pristine. These lights are exceptionally durable, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating that easily handles heavy rain and sprinkler systems. What truly elevates these spotlights is their robust smart integration. They work seamlessly with Matter, Alexa, and Google Assistant, allowing you to incorporate your landscape lighting into your broader smart home ecosystem effortlessly. With easy stake installation and dynamic app control to adjust angles, brightness, and colors, these spotlights are the perfect finishing touch to complete your outdoor smart lighting transformation.
Check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart home reviews. Keep building your dream setup, and I'll see you in the next video.